What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another laboratory where safety is number one priority. And today we're going to be testing cereal in the microwave. Let's check it out. Psych, guys. What is up, everybody? Red Exclaim Gaming here, back with another video. And today we're gonna be taking this bowl of cereal right here. Right there. Oh, I guess I'm on my phone. Alright, that bowl of cereal right there. Putting it in the microwave for 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Guys, let's put a little bit more. Alright guys, I don't want to waste up much of my time here recording. So, let's get right into this. Man. Alright. We got the microwave. Ready? Whoops. Cereal. Ready? I'm gonna start it at exactly 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Can you guys see that? But put it in there, 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Alright, so I'm gonna go watch this YouTube video. Keep an eye on the clock. When it's done. Oh! Take it out! Take it out! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh, Harmony, open a window! Dude, crap is smoking! Harmony! Open a window! Open the... Guys.
Is it on fire?
No, nothing's on fire! Open the windows! Now! Open the windows! Stay low! Freak!
The smoke can kill you.
I know!
You have to open the door.
I know that! God! Guys, this is a disaster. Open the door! Nope! Oh my God, guys!
The dog!
Guys, this is insane. Never put cereal. Harmony, come over here. Guys, this is never put cereal in the microwave.
Why would you do that?
Never do it. Okay, guys, it's smoking right now, and oh, freak. I gotta open the window. I'll be back, guys. Guys, here's back. I open the window. Alright, guys. Never. Guys, I beg you. Do not. Harmony, come over to this window and breathe. Come on. Come on. Guys, never, ever put cereal in the microwave. Oh.
Oh shit. Why would you? Dude, the house is filling up with smoke and I can't breathe.
We gotta go outside.
Put the dogs in the basement.
Come on! Oh, snap!
This isn't good to breathe in, dude.
I'm not breathing it in. I'm going to... Guys.
But the dogs.
Come on, guys! In the basement! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Get out of it. Where's
Guys.
Layla?
It's 7.
Where's Layla?
Layla! Come here!
Ollie!
Here, put him down in the basement. Guys.
Dogs are having trouble.
Come on! Let's go! Come! Oh my. There's the freaking cereal. Guys, there's still smoke in the house. Same! Yeah, I know. Oh, snap.
I need to go pee first.
No!
I need to go pee.
It's clear in this room. Come on, let's go outside!
I need to go pee.
Go pee! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Layla, come on! Guys, this is a serious situation. Guys, please do not ever put cereal in the microwave. Oh, snap. There's windows right here. Nice, Ollie. Good job. Let me get some air. I'm pretty sure. We all need. Oh, snap, guys. Close this microwave. Okay. It's going away, but in here. Oh, snap. Guys. Oh, guys, hold on. What is this? Don't do that! Come on! Come on! This room is clear.
It's all your fault, dude.
If we die. Guys, this is bad.
I'm getting lightheaded.
Same.
We need to go outside, Mondo.
Yes, let's go. Let's go. We can't hold on much longer. Come on.
I'm sorry, dogs.
Where's Layla? Come on, down the basement.
Go.
Go down the basement.
Go.
Okay, come on. Basement.
Make sure the door's unlocked.
Listen. I gotta get my coat. I'll take a blanket. Do not tell Mom and Dad.
Is the door unlocked?
Yes. Guys, we're outside right now. Let's go in the garage. Come on, come on.
Is it good?
Guys,
Don't go in the garage.
guys, this has gone wrong. Badly. I don't know what to do. Guys, we're fine though. Just wait until the smoke gets out of the house. We should be good. You okay? Harmony, come on, come back here. Guys, I got that on camera. Guys, this is not good. Come on, let's try to go back in the house and see if it's okay.
Not gone.
Come on. The upstairs, Harmony.
No, the upstairs. No. I'm being smart. Right? Don't go.
That's what I'm talking about. The upstairs has not cleared out yet. This is bad, guys. Our whole house might be filled up with smoke, and we'll never be able to do this again. We'll never be able to have a house, never be able to car, never be able to. I'll never be able to have a friend, Lamar. Guys, this is insane. This is not a joking matter. The dogs are in there. There's the house. I'm gonna try to go back in real quick. Harmony, come on. Guys, I don't know what to do.
Call Mom or Dad. We have to.
Why?
Because, dude.
Call Mom.
Mom's probably still in her appointment thing.
Don't call Dad. Hold on. Isn't there a thing on the oven where that we could flick up and it sucks up the...
Don't mess with the oven.
Did you call Dad?
We need to call someone.
Adrian. Guys. It's going away. Wait! It's gone. I'm gonna leave the door open.
Yeah, leave it open. I can still smell burnt.
Yeah, it's the microwave. You think we should throw the microwave out? Who are you calling?
Mom.
Guys, please do not ever try this. Cereal in the microwave is not a good idea. It's not a good idea. Remember, safety #1 priority, but today we did not get to do the safety. Oh, man.
You're lucky you didn't catch on fire, dude.
I got there just in time. Harvey, come on, right now. Someone's driving slow. Someone's driving slow. Come on, in the house.
Dude, no. I have to call that one now.
Okay, do it. Please. This is not good. I guess I'm gonna end the video here. No, I'm not. I can't do that.
Mondo, he put cereal in the microwave and a whole bunch of smoke, and then we're outside because the whole house is filled with smoke.
From the
Microwave. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. No. But my chest is hurting from all the smoke.
It's not smoking that bad.
You can't. We opened the windows, but you can't really see the smoke now. But it smells really bad.
open all the windows in the house. What?
It smells bad. No.
Yes.
A YouTube video?
He recorded it all on YouTube.
Put it on YouTube.
That's what he was doing.
They don't know our address.
The dogs were having trouble too. They were sneezing and everything. Yeah, she won't answer.
Alright, guys. End this here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Well.
And do not try this at home. Never, don't try it anywhere. Do not try it at home. Do not try it anywhere. Do not even try it in the world. Never. Hey guys, bye. Bye guys. Bye.